Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Crazy Cat Lady. So I have the December's BoxyCharm here right at you. And I think, I heard it's supposed to be a great one. So, oh, look at how cute, whimsy. Okay, and of course it tells you, oh, it tells you all the prices here too, which is really cute. Okay, so right on top, I see something really cute. Ooh, a Storybook Cosmetics. Look at how freaking cute that is. It looks like a book. Oh my God. Look at how adorable. Has a mirror. Wow. Look at, love this. I gotta start putting makeup on more. I was gonna put makeup on for this video, and of course, I'm lazy. Look at that green. I'm gonna try to use these greens this week for a look, because, so that is in the box. What is this? Oh, a brush cleaner and conditioner. Oh, for your brushes. Oh, very nice. Let's see what it smells like. Does it have a smell? Not bad. It smells like lavender to me. Oh, I can use a brush cleaner. That's nice. What is this? Marbled light. What is this? Marble light. Ooh. This is cute. Little compact. Look at how adorable. Halo. I think this might be like a blush maybe? Let's see what it is. Oh, it's illuminator, blusher. So it is a blush. Oh, I love this. Really, really light. Love it. And I love how it's marbled. So it is a blush and illuminator all in one. How adorable. So let's see what else is in there. Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. This is smoothing facial oil formulated with organic English rose Clio or something extract. Rose hip seed oil, recreating. So this is oil. So you massage 3 or 4 drops over the face and neck. Okay. So, oh, it helps smoothing out the fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, okay. So of course it's in one of these bottles. Ooh, it smells good. Ooh, we can smell it from here. Ooh, how pretty. Ooh, we can smell it right through the bottle. Oh, I like the smell of roses. See? Oh, it's smooth. Oh, this is nice. Oh, loving it. Ooh, I love that. Shelby wants to look at it. It smells gorgeous. I love it. Like all these products could be expensive. That's why I love getting the BoxyCharm. Love it. And then I got the brow makeover kit. Ooh. Has like a Oh, look at how cute that is. So you have like the brow, you know, to keep it in place, and all these different colors. Got a highlighter and 2 of the darker colors. Nice. So yeah, for me, it'd probably be more the lighter color. And a cute little pencil. Or, so what is this? This will be... Oh, this is mascara gel? Brush and flat brush. Oh, so this is a sculpting mascara gel. I thought it would be for your eyebrows. My hands are oily, so I can't open that up, but that is cute. So this is really a cute box, like for $26. So let's do a recap. I got the brow kit, the blusher, highlighter, which is really cute, the cute storybook eyeshadows, a brush cleaner, and rose hip oil for the fine lines and wrinkles. So that all together is quite a bit of money. And just for the storybook alone, let's see, is $35, $79 for the rose hip, $26 for the blush, $12 only for the cleaner. And the brow kit is $30, so $182 for $26. You can't go wrong for that at all. So I love this one. I think this one so far is, I love these. Is between last month and this month, I love the best. So with that said, this is all we got into the kit for this month, and it varies. Not everybody gets the exact same thing. It varies person to person. So with that said, thank you all for being here and supporting my channel. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the like button. And like I said, with the cat lady box, I am going to take a break on the BoxyCharm. I'm trying to save to go to see my aunt in Florida. So I'm cutting down on my cost of things that I get and doing different other type of videos. So with that said, I just want to let you all know that, because if you're looking for the BoxyCharm or the cat lady, I'm not going to be doing it for a little while. It might be early spring I might pick it up again, or after I come back from my vacation in August. So we'll see. We'll see. I mean, I really enjoy these boxes. They're like really fun for me. BoxyCharm and the cat lady one are my favorite. I think the Ipsy I'll be picking up back in March. So I want to try different things, like different things to do on this channel. So awesome, and remember to be you and love yourself always. Have an awesome day. Love you. Bye-bye.